Halo guys, kembali lagi dengan gue Papilo. Kali ini gue mau main game Sleeping Dog lagi, lanjutin yang kemarin ya. Kemarin tuh kita baru sampai di mana ya pas kita ngebantai gangster itu. Gue lupa yang kita bantai sendirian guys. Oke lah, kita mulai aja dulu ya. Oh iya, sebelum itu gue mau intro dulu. Intro, tapi bohong. Gak lah, gue gak ada intro-intro, langsung aja guys. Bukan malas ngedit ya, gue kayak gitulah pokoknya. Oke, ini dia si Wei. Halo Wei, apa kabar? Baik ya. Kita nggak usah ganti baju ya, bajunya nggak ada yang bagus loh. Kita cari yang baru aja.
Because their shoes are on sale today.
Go buy yourself some. Get me a pair too.
Halo abang-abang, lagi pada ngapain nih? Ngerokok, makan mie itu ya? Apa tuh mie apa? Iya, kemarin gue dapat mobil guys nih. Mobilnya cakep tuh kan. Nih kita langsung ke misi aja ya. Ternyata nih dia ini si game ini ada misinya dua ya. Yang satu jadi polisi, yang satu jadi gangster ini. Bingung jadinya. Wait, wait. Pelan-pelan. Aduh, aduh, aduh. Oke, nyampe. Kemana nih? Oh iya, kemarin gue dapet komen katanya suara gue kayak ASMR ya. Emang iya ya? Kalau emang iya nanti gue perbaikin lagi deh ya. Susah juga ngatur-ngatur ya guys, gue nggak ngerti, namanya gue pemula. Atau ngatur suara mic dan lain-lain tuh bingung gue. Tapi emang iya sih, gue ngerasa kayak suara ASMR gue. Suara ludah gue aja kedengaran guys. Nantilah ya, gue cari tutorial lah. Gue cari tahu caranya. Bingung. Ini sih. Wait, lecet nih mobil gue nih. Aduh, gue yang salah sih emang.
You can't be serious. Are you trying to insult me? That car is crap.
Let me fix my car up. Then
Ini
I'll
apa nih?
take
Kayak balapan lagi.
Fine. It's your funeral.
Kemarin kita balapan juara satu ya. Oh, oh enggak, kita kayak dia mau balapan ini. Diapain nih? Mobilnya cakep sih emang ya.
Not much. You? How's your dad?
Tapi sayangnya di Sleeping Dog itu gua nggak tahu guys cara modif-modif mobil tuh di mana. Kayaknya emang nggak ada dah. Mana nih?
Coming out soon? I'll tell you about it later.
Kalau kata gue nih dikasih GPS. Tuh kan, bener. Dia kagak ngeliat kanan kiri apa ya? Aduh,
Driver ever.
ya ketahuan ya. Ya, padahal dia sendiri yang nabrak-nabrak. Jadi kita yang ketahuan. Nah ini baru nih dia nggak nabrak-nabrak nih. Kurang jauh kita. Oh kita santai aja guys, sudah ada GPS ya, lupa gue.
Oh, shit. Naz.
Oh udah nggak jemput ya? Oh iya.
How's the race second, huh?
I still own it. Hey, you know this guy Wei Shin? Supposed to be son on Yi.
Every time I turn around, that guy shows up. And usually the cops aren't far behind.
Started racing the other day. Talking tough. You think he's a rat?
Or on the cover. They had a problem with that a little while back. You think they kill a cop and the police just
Tapi
go away?
makasih ya buat saran-sarannya tuh, suara gue kayak
Okay, what do I care?
itu kurang terlalu
I wouldn't let them
bercak-bercak
see you
gitu
do
ya.
anything and walk away.
This town is full of morons,
Nanti
Naz.
ya gue
It's
perbaiki
up to me to put them into place.
Yeah?
biar kalian enak juga
Punk by the
nonton
name
ya.
of Ace, talking a lot of trash. Now the fool actually wants to race.
Dia kan apa sih, padahal dia sendiri tuh yang nggak jelas bawa mobilnya.
You gonna take him out?
Uh-huh. Motherfucker won't know what hit him.
Ya,
Tell people he's gonna take me down?
What?
Don't worry. He races me, and by scraping him off the pavement in sticky little pieces.
Looks like you have little choice, huh?
oke udah. Udah, kalau gue tabrak gagal nggak sih? Kalau gue tabrak gagal nggak? Coba gue tabrak ya.
Hotshot's gonna race Ace, and he's talking like he's not gonna let Ace make it to the
Sorry,
finish
bro.
line alive.
Do you know where and when?
Sorry bro. Guys, gagal cok. Ya. Ini dari sini lagi. Jauh banget. Maafkan saya, maafkan saya.
Oh, shit. Naz.
How's the race second, huh?
I still own it. Hey, you know this guy weighs shit.
Sorry ya, namanya gue pemula nih main game gini.
Every time
Tapi
I
gue
turn
mau jadi
around, that
gaming.
guy shows up. And usually
Gue
the
mau,
cops aren't far behind.
semoga gue bisa
Started racing the other day.
kayak
Talking tough.
gamers-gamers lain.
You think he's a rat?
More on the cover. They had a problem with that a little while back. You think they kill a
Ini gue
cop, the
nge-recordnya
police just go away?
siang guys, panas juga ya. Soalnya di sini nggak ada AC juga kan.
Okay, what do I care? But if I was you, I wouldn't let them see you do anything and walk away.
This town is full of morons, Naz. It's up to me to put them into place.
Yeah? Why?
Punk by the name of Ace, talking a lot of trash. Now the fool actually wants to race.
Ternyata walaupun kita udah selesai ngikutin, kalau kita senggol ketahuan ya.
Motherfucker won't know what hit him.
Masuk akal sih, iya juga sih ya. Nah, dia kan lagi di mata-matain.
He races me, and by scraping him off the pavement in sticky little pieces.
Looks like you have little choice, huh?
Coba kalau numpang lewat dong.
Yes.
Inspector, it's Way. Hotshot's gonna race Ace, and he's talking like he's not gonna let Ace make it to the finish line
Oh, dia
alive.
lurus tadi
Do you know where
kiri.
and when?
Not yet.
Ngapain
And
ke
one other
kiri?
thing. Hotshot and his friend Nas suspect I'm a cop.
Naz Singh, the drug smuggler?
You know him?
Yeah, I know him. He's an informant for HKPD. He's the one that put us on to Hotshot in the first place.
Fucking guy is playing both sides of the game.
You want me to tell him to shut up?
No, I agreed to help you, Inspector, but not if it gets me killed. Do everything you can to keep my cover intact. I'll deal with Nas myself.
All right, Wei, all right. For now, let me know if you find out anything about that race.
Nyampe. Oke. Ini kita kemana ya? Lanjutin lagi apa enggak nih isinya nih? Sebenarnya gue pengen jalan-jalan dulu nih, pengen gue telusurin kota-kotanya. Kayak berantem, kita ada perlombaan, bukan lomba sih ya, kayak arena berantem gitu, seru tau. Gue pengen nyoba sih. Tapi ini storynya, wah ya ampun panjang banget guys. Ini kita baru sampai sini nih, kelihatan banget. Itu apa tuh? Yaudah kita coba dulu aja ya. Udah sih ya, sebenarnya. Oh itu apa tuh, Frisky? Wih, ini mobil polisinya keren banget, sumpah nggak bohong. Oh lagi ada yang balapan, terusin. Ya ilah. Kok susah ya? Ini disuruh ngapain ini? Ya ampun. L-ship kan? Iya disuruh L-ship. Targetnya yang mana ya? Semuanya target. Apa yang di depan doang ini? Coba. Oh, semuanya guys dihancur-hancurin. Mana nih dia? Oh, satu lagi. Bener kah? Nah, begitu ternyata. Kasian banget guys, terbalik dia.
Hey, wait. I work for Tran at the chop shop. We notice you still don't have your own ride.
Semoga kita dapat yang mobilnya. Keren juga nih.
Oh yeah? How much will that cost me?
Don't worry. Give you
1, 2, 3. Oh, disuruh tidur dulu, suruh balik ke rumah. Oh, disuruh balapan. Tuh balapan tuh guys di situ. Tapi ini kayaknya emang disuruh pulang dulu deh. Oke. Coba ya kita tidur dulu ya. Gue pengen misi ke utamanya dulu sebenarnya. Murah hijau-hijau itu. Oh bisa, oke. Mimpi buruk lagi deh. Mimpi buruk mulu ya sih gue ya. Dia traumanya apa ya? Ada yang tahu nggak? Tuh. Gue tuh penasaran sama yang foto-fotonya itu loh. Foto yang di kamar tuh yang di mejanya. Penasaran aja. Nah kan tuh lihat udah ada tuh. Berarti emang ya tadi disuruh tidur. Mobil masih ada lagi di sini. Coba di garasi ada nggak ya? Mobil-mobilnya. Ya nggak ada guys. Oke yang lainnya. Tadi udah hancur. Lah. Oh.
Hello?
Wait, the Knox Security Company has refused to pay protection money. If you see their vans, hijack them and bring them to one of our garages.
Sounds good. I'll grab them if I see them.
Ini kita disuruh ini. Disuruh ngikutin mobil itu tuh. Udah ikutin dulu aja dah. Ini katanya uang kalau nggak salah deh. Kalau nggak salah ya. Oke. Ada polisi. Polisi berapa nih? Satu doang ya? Wah. Oke. Kemana nganternya? Oh, ke situ. Aduh, jauh juga nggak sih, deket 300. Gue males kalau buat truk ini. Ya tapi yang udah nonton video gue yang sebelumnya dan sekarang ya, makasih ya. Walaupun yang nonton sedikit ya, gue bersyukur banget sih. Baru 50, paling banyak 50. Tapi ya nggak apa-apa. Karena gue tahu, karena gue ini pemula ya kan. Duit kita udah 100. Lumayan banyak. Ya kita langsung ke misi utama aja. Tuh di situ kan di map kan ada logo itu ya tuh. Itu logo itu kayak logo berantem. Ngapain taksi di tengah jalan? Ya sih gue juga sadar sih kalau gue tuh dari kemarin gue bilang apa, gue kurang interaksi, gue kurang, gue juga bingung mau nyampein apa, dan ini gue nyampein sebisa gue aja. Apaan sih tuh cewek-cewek joget tengah jalan?
Hiya. Mommy Pop.
Who's he talking to?
It's the Dai-Lo, man. It's the chairman.
Apa nih?
Mommy Bakala. Mama Shando. Wait,
Wih,
you're coming with me. Looks like you're gonna meet Uncle Po. The rest of you, wait here. Don't do anything until you hear from me.
What's going on?
You are staying here like I told you. And you are shutting the fuck up. Got it?
Yeah, boss. Of course.
Good.
mukanya kocak banget anjir dia pas diomelinnya.
Let's go.
Kocak banget mukanya. Ini kemana nih? Oke. Let's go. Kita sama siapa nih? Sendiri.
You pissed off the wrong people, man.
Sendiri apa berdua
At
sih?
least we kept Siwa alive.
Berdua deh.
Yeah. That may be just what saves us. I'm gonna bump Uncle Po's car. Hoping that doesn't. It's not fair, you know? Look what I built. The night market. All of North Point, really. Then Dog Eyes gets greedy. What was I supposed to do, huh, Liu? I mean, what's hang out?
Just what you did. You can't back down from that asshole.
You and him got history, huh?
Ini kemana nih? Oh, ke kota. Aduh, ini mobil ngalengin aja pas mau belok.
Anything. Anything happens to me.
Karena kalau lewat lurus kayak jauh deh.
Okay.
Mending lewat atas, lewat tol.
We're a family. Family has to stick together. Duke, Conroy, they're good guys. But they're not gonna be leaders. I know Conroy gives you shit, but you've proven yourself now. And he'll see it. Even if he doesn't want to.
Shit.
Do me a
Oke.
favor. Look after Peggy and my mom too. It's gonna be rough business. The one thing we got
Kiri, kiri,
is
kiri.
each other. Brothers, you know. I know people use that word, but it means something to me. And it should to you too. Not just that we're some
Nah iya nih kotanya guys.
brothers.
Wah, kotanya lebih keren loh di kotanya.
We look after each other. And we look after the people we love.
Okay, Winston. Siwa told me he really works for Big Smiley, not Dog Eyes. I keep hearing his name.
Big Smiley is backing Dog Eyes, sure. That's where he gets the balls to come after me. Lee has a lot of power. Along with drugs,
Ketemu siapa dia?
prostitution, porn. Even sells women across the border into the rest of Asia. Whole thing is run like an industry. Very sleazy, but big money.
Winston, we can't just walk in there, not if it's as bad as you say.
You don't have a lot of choice. It's the way it's done, Way. Besides, you can't hide from Uncle Po. If he wants you dead, You're dead. And I'd rather see it coming, you know? You should be okay. But if I get my ass shot, do not do anything
Gue
stupid.
kemarin ini ya habis makan bebek, kepala gue kelengan langsung, cuy. Kenapa ya?
Fuck off, Johnny.
Uh,
Hey, Winston. What's wrong? You look a little pale, man. That dog guys tells me you've been throwing your weight around. What happened? You guys used to be tight as shit.
Is he here?
Nah, he left a while ago. Without a scratch.
ini kalau nggak salah
Doesn't bode so well for the other
kayak
parties
ketemu bos
involved.
gitu deh tadi dia ngomong. Kayak
Right
penguasa gitu pokoknya kayak
Have
bos
fun.
kayak kalau di Jepang kayak Yakuza ya kan, ketua Yakuza. Kalau di sini nggak tahu deh gue. Oh,
Uncle Po. Ah, Winston.
oh itu kakek-kakek yang di tahu gak sih yang di
And you, young
yang di
man,
apa di
must be. Winston speaks very highly of you.
Winston has
yang
been
di
a good
ruangan
friend.
itu di ruangan Intel itu,
I've tried to do right by him.
yang ruangannya kantor
I like the
si
way you think. That's
Inspektur
the
Tank.
attitude that makes us strong.
Itu dia tuh kakek-kakeknya.
Loyalty, discretion
Ternyata dia targetnya.
used to be more common. Winston says you're the one who made sure Siwa was not arrested.
No, it was Winston's idea. He had to assert himself, assert his position. But he didn't want to inconvenience you in the process.
Did he now? In any case, you did well. I want to show you my gratitude.
Uncle Po, there's really no need.
Don't argue with me. Do you know Roland Ho? He has a business collecting debts. The other day he told me that he could use some help. It's quite lucrative, you know.
Ini kita dengerin dulu ya guys ya.
Tell him I sent you. Winston won't mind in the slightest. Will you?
Thank you, Uncle.
Winston, relax. I know you were provoked.
Oh, ternyata dia bosnya. Dia bosnya guys.
God damn it. I bet $1,000 I was going to be
Ini siapa
carrying you
dia
on a
namanya?
fucking body bag. Uncle Po must like you.
Yeah, I don't think he has an opinion on me either way.
All right. I tell you what, you get tired of spinning your wheels in the night market, give me a call. There's more to this business than strong-arming street vendors.
Ricky, your name's Ricky, right? I appreciate the offer. You know, let me think about it and I'll get back to you.
Wih, kita akhirnya di kota.
Give you a chance to see what it's like to be
Get
in
in the
big time.
car. Mana? Oh itu mobilnya. Ini mobilnya di sini juga keren-keren. Gak bisa ditabrak, baru gue mau tabrak.
Yeah, you all right?
Things are gonna be okay. There's gonna be work to do. A lot of work. Stay ready.
I always am.
Look, in the meantime, I'm getting swamped with this wedding crap. I'm gonna need your help with a couple of things.
Yeah?
Yeah. I tell you, it's easier to be a Red Bull than a groom. I'll stop by the restaurant when you're done there, okay?
Got it.
Hey, Roland Ho?
Who's asking?
My name's Wei Shen.
Ah, Wei. You got friends in high places, my boy. I hear you and Winston have been making trouble with Dog Eyes.
Dog Eyes has been asking.
Menurutku ini dia karakternya beda deh,
I
keren nih.
remember when I was like you, always looking for a fight, ready to kill anyone who so much as look at me sideways. Here's a tip for you, kid. Don't take on a boss in your own triad unless you know for a fact someone else is gonna back you up. Hierarchy is the only thing anyone cares about. Always have, always will.
Thanks for the advice, old timer. So, when can we get to work?
Okay, big man. 我睇你點做。
Kayaknya dapat senjata nih.
Bad luck at
Dapat
Mahjong.
senjata guys,
You'll
senjata.
need this.
Mantap kali ya abang.
Collect what she owes.
Ini serius apa senjata gua? Oh, jauh juga nih perginya.
Wait,
Hey, Jackie.
just checking in, man. I heard things were kind of intense. Wanted to make sure you're still with us, you know?
Uncle Poe seems to have a handle on who's causing the trouble.
That's a relief.
Look, I gotta go, Jackie. Gotta see a lady about some money.
Mau perang ya kayaknya.
You're gonna pay up, you understand?
Shit, that's a lot of muscle.
Mau kejar-kejar. Woi, jangan kabur weh. Oh wah gila nih efek banget sih. Nggak kena. Sip. Epic banget tadi. Epic. Oke, disuruh stop. 1, 2 bisa nggak nyampe.
Who are you? What is this? I haven't done anything.
Tabrak ya guys.
That's the
1,
problem.
2,
You
3.
old guy like rolling home money?
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
I don't care if you're sorry. I care if you have the money.
I know. I'm sorry.
Hey, stop saying that.
Sorry.
Look,
The car. Who has drugs in the back? That should cover my debt. Don't hurt me. I'm sorry.
Kenapa jatuh dia?
damn. Wasn't gonna do anything that bad.
Lah kemanain dia hilang?
No, next best thing though. Got a car loaded with dope.
All right, what I have to do, bring it back here as soon as you can. Don't drive around in a stash car any longer than you have to.
Oh, ini kita bisa beli mobil di sini. Lumayan, dapat mobil. Beli mobil. Dapat mobil. Ketemu dia lagi. Raymond.
Shen, finally. Where the hell have you been?
Look,
Do you have any idea what's going on? What happened at the warehouse?
Raymond, do you ever actually read my reports?
Your reports? All I have to do is read the goddamn newspapers. They're calling it a massacre. If it ever came out that the police were involved, we're dead.
It won't.
Well, you can't know that. You at least could have turned Siwa over to us. It would have helped our case.
That would have put the entire operation at risk. What does Pendrew say?
You know, he's not your handle, Wei. I am.
Well, then fucking handle it, Raymond. Well, how'd you think this was gonna go down? Huh? Whatever it takes. You remember that? You wanted results, and you can't get them sitting behind a desk, nose in a rulebook, with a stick up your ass. Look, Raymond, I am doing what needs to be done.
No, you've crossed the line, Wei. I'm gonna terminate this operation.
You can't do that. Pendrew won't allow it.
Pendrew may like to take chances, I don't. And you are dangerous.
Fine. But before you go back to your office to try and pull the plug, go ahead and tell Pendrew that I just met the chairman of the Sun On Yee.
The chairman? Wait, you're just a foot soldier.
Well, this foot soldier has just been marked for promotion because I made sure Suwal got out safely. It'll be in my report, and maybe this time you'll actually read it.
Gila, rumah baru guys, apartemen nih. Cakep banget rumahnya. Beda main di desa. Kita langsung ke misi aja. Misi. Naik taksi nggak usah. Naik taksi aja jauh.
Yeah, he mentioned it the other day. Congratulations.
Oh, si Winston tuh mau merit guys, mau nikah sama Winston.
Peggy 咧就係想準備啲婚禮，咁佢又唔叫 Winston，我會揾人車佢。咁你唔介意啦嘛嚇
No problem at all, Mrs. Chu.
好，咁就好啦。走啦，唔該晒啊！我要多啲雞，你哋攞多啲雞俾我啊！咪企喺度傻瓜咁啊！
Hello, Wei. Thanks for driving me around.
Yeah, no problem. So, where are we going?
The flower shop. I still have to pick the color I want. You won't believe how much work it is to get ready for a wedding. We've been planning for 8 months now, and there's still so much to be done.
I'm sure it'll be fine.
It better be perfect. My wedding has to be perfect. So, Wei, do you have a girlfriend?
No. My life, it wouldn't be a good idea right now.
Your life is why it'd be good. You have to have someone you can be soft with too, Wei. It's very important. If you're hard all the time, one day you'll forget how to be soft. Then where will you be?
If you say so.
I do say so. You are family now, Wei. I have to... My car!
So how do you get on with Winston's mother?
She's a handful, but, you know, her bark is worse than her bite.
That I know. How about her meat cleaver?
Ha! That's worse than her bark for sure. No, she used to scare me, but then one day, I was having a problem with Winston. He wasn't paying enough attention to me, too distracted with work. And Mrs. Chu gave him a big lecture in front of the whole gang. I thought she might use that cleaver on him. Ever since then, Winston's been an absolute doll. And even though she still yells a lot, I know her heart is in the right. Don't scratch the paint!
Well, you're lucky. And my mother never liked my girlfriends.
I guess it's hard for the moms.
Well, I mean, you know, I used to have a thing for blondes too, and that drove her crazy. Bad enough if I went out with a Chinese-American girl, but a whitey?
Well, it's good to know she was loyal to her people.
No, she's loyal to her prejudices, more like. Here we are.
So good to see you again. Welcome.
I'm here to finalize the details of the flower arrangement.
Yes.
I'm just the driver.
I'm just gonna change back and then we'll be done. Actually, there is one other thing. Black orchids. This probably sounds silly, but it was my mother's favorite flower. And now that she's gone, I was thinking that I'd love to have a black orchid centerpiece.
I'm afraid that's impossible. There are none to be found in Hong Kong.
Really? Well, I thought they had some down at the Garden Temple.
Well, yes, but they're not for sale. The other day, the CEO of Old Boy Trading wanted one for his daughter. He told them they offered Temple $100,000. They still say no. It's incredible, no?
A black orchid at a wedding guarantees that the couple stays together for the rest of their lives. Oh well, Wei, come on. We can go now. All right, next we need to pick up the wedding cake.
So you got a cake picked out?
Winston's in charge of that. He knows I'm very particular about cakes, but he promised I wouldn't be disappointed. I'm sure Winston will impress me. It's our wedding after all.
And your wedding has to be perfect.
Now you're getting it. So your mother took you to the States?
Yeah, she loved Hong Kong, but she wanted to give me and my sister a change of scenery.
Oh, were you being a bad little boy?
No, it was Mimi, my sister. Growing up in Old Prosperity, she started down a particular road and couldn't get off of it. And my mother hoped that moving to San Francisco would shake her up. Change who she hung out with,
Did it?
Yeah, for a while. But some habits die hard, Some don't die at all.
I'm sorry, Wei. Winston mentioned that she passed away. I didn't mean to bring it up. Hey! Isn't that a van from the wedding cake company?
Hang on.
What are you doing?
Yeah, the guy had the wrong address. Winston asked me to make sure the cake is delivered.
He's so thoughtful. Wei, slow down!
Peggy, if we don't catch that van, you won't have your special cake at your wedding.
What? Faster, faster, go faster!
He's not pulling over.
You're a gangster, do something! Get out there and get him!
Here, take the wheel.
Careful, don't hurt my cake.
Don't worry.
Get that van. I'll follow you.
Tell Winston.
Wow, that's great. I'll take it right to him.
All done.
Oh, thank you, Wei. Thank you. You know, it makes me think.
Uh-oh.
The wedding just won't be perfect without that orchid.
We're going to the temple, aren't we?
I knew you'd understand. Do you have any family here at all?
No, not anymore.
Well, you're wrong, Wei. You have family. You have us.
Thanks.
No, I mean it. I know Winston's work can be rough, but it makes us a family, too.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
Man needs brothers, uncles, sisters, too.
Help me with that soft side.
Don't laugh. It's very important. You know, I could probably set you up if you want. You're a good-looking man.
Thanks, but I'm not looking for anything serious right now. I wouldn't want it to reflect poorly on you.
Uh-huh. You're still playing around, huh? Well, let me know if you ever change your mind. I know some nice girls.
Wait here. I'll be right back.
Jadi ini guys, jadi budak budak ya Allah. Pokoknya jadi biksu.
What are you doing here?
When energy flows among flowers, we are all everywhere. I am here and not here. I love flowers.
Ah, brother. So true, so true.
You stop right now! There he is! Over here!
Call the police! I'll keep him occupied.
Police! We have a thief! He's desecrating our
You got them? Oh, Wei, thank you so much.
How can I say no? Peggy, do you have any Winston's clothes in the back? I don't think these robes gonna make the right impression.
What do you think about this?
Yeah, sure. Cops, perfect.
Wait, what are you doing? Hiya. Oh my god. Go, go. Thank you, Wei. Thank you.
It was my pleasure. And if you're gonna be my sister, the least I can do is help out with your wedding.
Your mother would be proud of you.
I hope so. Sometimes I wonder.
No, I can see it. Life isn't perfect, it never is. But you have a good heart.
Peggy,
Nope. I know, women's intuition. It's the same with Winston. He talks tough, but underneath, he's a very caring man. Thanks for being so helpful, Wei. I really appreciate it.
Of course.
Sometimes this wedding thing stresses me out. There's so much to get right, and you only get one try.
Don't worry, Peggy. It's gonna be perfect.
Oh, it's so nice to find someone you can really rely on. I can see why Winston likes you.
Again? Come and do it, I tell you.
Oke guys, gue tutup aja video kali ini. Gue mau sampai di sini saja. Jangan lupa untuk subscribe, like, dan komen ya guys. Oke. See you again.